I picked this table up today off Marketplace for 20 bucks. And from afar, it looks pretty damn good. Somebody's carved into the top high. It's dusty, of course. It's covered in little rust spots. There's a few tiny little chips and things on the glass, which is fine. I don't really care about that. But we're definitely going to fix up the frame. So I'm going to try the method with aluminium foil and water, which I've used before. So just literally aluminium foil, scrub it on, and then I have a metal primer and a new spray paint. So let's have a look and see what we can do. So I started off just by giving the table a bit of a clean with a damp cloth. I'm getting rid of some of the grime. And there was tape here, which was, this table's seen some things. Removing the glass and putting it in a safe location. So I have actually done this method before on my dining table. However, that was a silver base, chrome, if you will. And this one I believe is just coated, so it didn't come off as nice. But basically all you do is loosely scrunch up a piece of foil, dip it in some water and give it a scrubby scrub. I think it's raining. It is raining. Okay, so I've probably spent about half an hour on it now. You can definitely still see the spotting. Like on this one, it's taken off some of the coating. And it's not coming off as much as I would like. But I think we should be fine. So I'm gonna try and spray it. I've just given it a wipe down. I'm gonna dry it before I prime, and fingers crossed. Now move your table away from the boyfriend's car so you don't spray anything on it. It's raining a lot. Sad. Now it's a new day and I started off, well, good start. So these little caps were so hard to get off. I got these off. Hello, bird. Are you coming to steal my cat's food? That's not... Ah! Piss off. How the f*** do you know? Now, before you judge me, our house is a work in progress and we've just pulled all the cladding off. And rather than walk all the way up the steep hill to the front, I decided to just climb on the balcony, as you can see. And this is because our cat was on the deck and I put some of her food out and the birds just knew. But yes, our house looks much better now. It's cladded, but I don't have any footage to show you of that. That was fun. So now I'm just getting the other ones off. I've done the bottom and the top. These ones kind of wanted to like spin. That's, mind you, how I sliced my finger at the start of this. Some of them were very cooperative and some of them were not, so I levered them off. And with a burst of excitement, went over to the other side to try and see if that one would come off just as easy. It did not. Yes, I did just hiss at a bird. Now I'm using my metal primer. Which I actually feel like kind of looks good as is. I feel like this kind of looks good grade. Maybe I should just paint it black. Now here I was just testing if I wanted to spray these as accent pieces. What? As black, or if I wanted to spray them gold, so I tried both. This is another just black enamel, so it gives it a little bit of a shine. And in hindsight, I would have done things a lot differently, as you will see later. They didn't come out quite as nice as I hoped. And I am a good spray painter, as you can see. And don't really know what I'm doing, so... Yeah, see, these are shit. These could probably go on the bottom. I think. I don't know what's happening with my neighbors. I believe they were kids and it was fine. Oh my gosh. Now I'm gonna just spray the gold, see if I like the color. Ooh, okay. And at first I did, but later I did not. I think we can put these on the top and those on the bottom. Now I have to wait 2 hours. Fashion. Yikes. So this is the base coat primer dried, which actually looks nice. Now I'm going in with the gold paint. I thought at the time that this was like a really cool shot, and then realized later that all of the paint was going onto my camera lens, so note to self. Probably don't do that. A bit drippy there. We had a bit of a boo-boo. And I don't think I like the gold. Black? Hi, kitty. Hello. We're on the deck because apparently it's supposed to rain in like 20 minutes. But anywho, I decided I didn't like this gold because it was kind of matte. And there was a few dodgy sprays and stuff, so I've given it a little bit of a sand, this block, and I've got this stuff, which is like so much better, so that's very exciting. And these I've also given a bit of a sand, and I'm going to spray them again black, and hopefully they'll look much better. So I'm just feeling now to see if it's smooth to the touch, because then obviously you won't be able to see any grooves or anything when I spray them again. I should have done this first, but hindsight is a bitch. And I tried a few different methods, as you can see, of sanding this. And now we are on to the new gold. This can cost me $24, but I think it's worth it. Now when spraying these little caps again in the black, I also spray painted the deck. My bad. This cardboard was not quite big enough. And then I put her all together. And a few final thoughts. Looks great from afar, but up close there's definitely a few imperfections. It's okay, lesson learnt for next time. I did end up putting a clear coat on top of the final gold, which kind of subdued the colour a bit, which is a little sad. There's also a couple of little spots here where the black has chipped off when I put the glass frame on top, but nobody's gonna know. Way better than it did before. So overall, very happy. And of course we have to include the kitty cat. But I shall see you guys in the next episode of Upcycled. Bye!